Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. This is a shopping haul from Country Craft Creations. I want to show you what all I got, basic supplies, and a few fun things, so stay tuned. Okay, so when I got my order, I put everything in this basket, and I'm going to go through over it with you what I got. This is a personal order purchase that I made of supplies from Country Craft Creations. These are not design team package items. I've already shared that with you, but this is a separate order that I placed. So if you saw Tamara's live, you have seen her using these Easy Runner grants. So of course I had to get two. You don't have to. You can just buy one gun and then get the refills and switch them out. This one is permanent, which is great for cards, which is what I'll probably use it for. And this one is temporary, repositional, so that you can, stick your pattern paper down while I'm designing a project, and then just pull it off and then fix it permanently once I'm satisfied with what I've got. But what's really neat, I haven't used this yet, is that it opens. Oh, you got to take the little end thing off. Is it taped on? I guess I should have opened this before I started playing around with it. Let's see here. I know that comes off. There, it just pulls off. So that's how you do your adhesive. But what's really cool is if you just can only afford one gun, well, then you can just open this up and take the cartridge out real easy and drop in the different one. But since I'm a designer and I have to, switch back and forth, I don't want to have to be changing in and out. And of course, it's not going to be as easy as I thought it would. I thought it just dropped in. I think it does. It just matters. My husband says I'm not very mechanically inclined, and he's probably right. See that? I know that's got to go there, like that. It's easier than it looks. Easier than what I'm making it look like. But anyway, I got one of each so that I don't have to switch my cartridge around, because as you can see, I'm not that great at that. But there's that, and then I also got a refill because if I use it for cards or tags, I want to make sure I have extra on hand. So that's my refill. I'll put that aside. I needed score tape sheets. I love to use these on my album covers. So this is the 8.5 by 11. So I got score tape sheets. This is new tools. These are spacers. I got the 1 inch and the 1.5 and 1 inch. When you get them from Country Craft Creations, they've got this paper backing on them, and you just peel that off. You want to make sure that you peel it off so that you can kind of see through. There's some on each side. And just start peeling here on the corner, and then it just peels up like that. Okay. So these you can use to position your covers. I still have the 12-inch ones that I really like, but I saw these and I thought, oh, that's a great way to keep everything lined up really nice and straight in the corners. So I picked up one of each. It's going to be a nice, fun tool. I'll pull the backing off of this one. So like I said, this one is your 1.5 and 1 inch for your spine section of when you're doing the lay flat method of your album cover, and this is the 1 inch by 1 inch. So these are available at countrycraftcreations.com, so check that out. Let's see what else we got. She also showed this new powder tool. Now I have always used mine, which is for embossing, but this deactivates stickers, like when you want to make them, turn them into tuck spots instead of having them stick all the way down. This takes the tacky off the back of your stickers. So that's going to be a great tool to have. And it smells good too. It smells like powder. Then I also wanted this oh so organized stash and store for some of my tools. I have some jars here on my desk, but I thought this was really neat way to probably keep track of some of my things that I use lots of. So yeah, that's going to be fun. I'm going to put all that in there. And then some of my other basic things that I got was some cardstock. So let me move my basket. I'm not going to take this out of the plastic, but this is the newest color. It's artisan. It comes in 10 sheets per pack, so I bought 2 packs. This is the felt banana split yellow. Gorgeous. Okay, don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe some summer thing, but if you take a feel of it, it's got this wonderful felt finish here on one side. That's really great. I like that. So I got 2 of that. So I have 20 sheets of the banana split yellow. And then I also wanted, I hadn't tried it yet, the parchment, which is like that, very vintagey looking. And that is the regular 25 to a pack. And then, of course, I had to have more black artisan because I was running out. So that's my fun stuff and basic stuff from Country Craft Creations. Do check out their website if you want to do some shopping for your own supplies. She has lots of different things. Her great paper collections designed just for her for Country Craft Creations, as well as other companies and tools and different things that you might need for your crafting pleasure. So anyway, thanks everybody for following along. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as a follower. Subscribe and then click the bell so you'll be notified of my next video. And again, shop countrycraftcreations.com. Bye-bye.